In this video, we're going to take a look at some diverging lenses. So I've got a diverging lens right now on the screen, and we're going to send some light rays towards it here. And when these rays hit the lens, they are going to spread out. So none of these rays on this side of our lens are actually ever going to intersect. So no images are going to form over here. What actually happens is these light rays, they reflect back and they go towards the focal point, and then our image is going to form over there in that particular side somehow. So the light rays have been the same way if we ignore the thickness of the lens. Diverging lenses, they're thin in the middle and they might make the light rays diverge or spread out. And additionally, if the ray lights are tracked back, they'll hit the focal point. So here's this operation now. Generally, we're going to bend them in the middle. That's probably the smartest place to do it. And you'll notice that all of the light rays came in parallel to the principal axis and then went back towards the focal point. So here is an example. So we'll start off by drawing our first line that goes from the top of our object, hits the lens, and then reflects back towards and goes through the focal point. Now our second line is going to go through the top of the object, and it's going to go through the center of the lens, so right there, and you can see that we have our lines crossing here. We don't even need to do our third line because we've got our image formed right there. So here's another example here. You can pass your first line towards the mirror, goes up there, dots back, one goes to the middle, and you got your image right there. So if you were to salt this one, you'd say that your image is smaller, it's going to be upright, it's going to be closer, and it's going to be a virtual image.